Hello! So my top three for today. I vetted and set up interviews with members of the community press. I was also on a recruiting call for a candidate for a senior position at the foundation. And my favorite, I got to engage some more with members of the community in the Telegram channel. I always look forward to that. For me tomorrow, it's going to be all about the DAV Alliance, so I will see you guys later.
Hey, Davers, Alec here. So as you can see, I'm at the elevator of our office. I'm trying the new segment. We'll see how it goes. Today, me and Tal had a meeting with the retired Israeli Air Force General, Erez. Erez was really excited about this project and actually has a reach to many autonomous technology partners around the world. We'll see how that will unfold very shortly. Other than that, I decided to refresh all the DAV Alliance collaterals for our upcoming outbound correspondence. And that's about it, guys. Have a great day. Bye.
Hi, everyone. Yesterday I worked on coordinating the announcement of our latest advisory board member. The Medium post about him ended up getting postponed, but the announcement did go out, and I spent the rest of the day working on internal and external documents for our community members. Today I will actually be working on transitioning the management of our social channels. I'll be receiving a little bit of help on that and prepping for our weekly communications call. See you tomorrow.
Hey there! So yesterday I had another chance to sit with Yudi, the CTO of Bangkok, discussing smart contracts, security, a lot of fascinating stuff. I also worked with Shachar and Lior on updates to the Missions app and to our new technology page. Finally, I also worked on the KYC and the whitelisting process. Today I had a chance to have a couple of calls with security solutions providers, and we released the video from my trip to Moscow where I met one of our drone partners, Copter Express. You should definitely check that out on YouTube right now, it's really cool. And up ahead, I'm going to have a call with one of the head scientists from the Woods Hole Oceanographic Institute. This guy has been working on autonomous submarines for the past 20 years, so that's going to be really interesting. I'm really looking forward to that. I'll see you tomorrow.
Hi guys, today I mostly worked on updating the documentation site. It's probably going to go up tomorrow. Some changes to the way we use curl to call the API. And also we've started to sit and plan for the Copter Express demo. It's going to come up soon. So stay tuned.
Hey everybody. Joe Lepardo here. So yesterday we had a management meeting in the morning, which led as typical or as usual to a bunch of follow-up tasks that happened throughout the day. Worked on updating the FAQ page, so did a good amount of work around that. That is now live on the website, so if you guys have any questions, obviously hop in our Telegram channel or bounce to the bottom of our website to take a look at the new FAQ section. Did some work with one of our new team members, very excited. We hired a new sort of like creative director-esque social media marketing manager to take on a lot of things that was passed over from Rachel, who you see on here very often as she ramps up and is going a little crazy with the overload of inbound requests we've been getting for our pre-sale. So a lot of great things happening there. Worked on some content pieces, went ahead and shipped out our email blast, which our email list is now getting close to around 9,000 people. We were at about 1,000 a week and a half ago. So we're exploding on that front, exploding on Telegram, just working with the community. Everything's been really, really fantastic there. Today we had a lot of really, really exciting meetings. This morning had a meeting with our CTO, had a meeting with a very, very large auto manufacturer about some potential things we might be doing with them, and that went really, really well. Can't talk too much about that, but hopefully awesome things to come in the future there. Also spoke with our content person, so working with him through some up and coming topics over the next few weeks, working on Dev Insider, working on those content pieces, new advisor announcements, advisor updates, really the full gamut today, sort of working on everything, working with our paid partner, just a lot of different moving parts, but everything is going good, full steam ahead, great progress. Also working on getting our profiles updated on a few of those ICO listing websites. We're getting a ton of traffic and a lot of great community building and new folks coming into our community from some of those ICO listing websites. So nothing but good things. And as always, exciting times ahead. Thanks, everybody. Have a good day.
Hey guys, so yesterday we deployed a new version of our missions app that introduces 2 new features. The first one is allowing to type in actual addresses for pickup and drop-off destinations instead of the coordinates one. And the second one is the ability to sort the results of the drones that are available for pickup by either price or distance from you. So this was released yesterday, and today I dive deeper into this missions app. Opened about 7 issues already since the morning. We're really trying to improve user experience there, and we're also preparing the ground for the boat missions that is going to be added very soon. And I think this is it for today, guys. Thanks.